All right, so 3M Headlight Restoration Kit comes with some sanding pads, 500 grit, 800 grit, I don't know, like a sanding pad thing, and then glazing compound or rubbing compound that you use. I'm keeping this up right as it pours out. That is opened already. All you need is a drill and some masking tape, a little bit of water. I also got this McGuire stuff, the headlight coating, so we'll see if that makes it stay clear a little longer. I'm not normally wowed by stuff, but this was only $9.99 off of Amazon, and it's everything you need, and it works really great. All you need is a drill, and I believe, I can't remember how much this stuff was, maybe like about $9.99 too, so hopefully this will work out too. But this thing rocks, and if you have yellowed headlights, this is, I mean, I actually did my one headlight yesterday, and I pretty much just ham-fisted it. I was just like I'm just going to do this super fast. I got 15 minutes, and the difference is amazing. Let's go take a look at that.
All right, so we can see the headlight I did do here. Nice and clear looking, and I didn't even clean up the bumper at all. So that's just how quickly I did it, and it turned out really good. Here is the one we'll be working on. As you can see, it's pretty yellowed. These are original headlights, so they've been around since 2009. This video I actually recorded a couple years ago, and the actual product that I have in this picture is actually not available anymore. They have an updated version that looks just as good, and it actually has the clear coat in the package already. So it's all in one package. I believe it's about $18 at the time of editing this video. And so that's the one I will link to down below. The only thing you really need here is a drill. It's a little scary at first because the first sandpaper used is pretty rough and does take off quite a bit. You can see the powder coming off there. So this is the second sanding pad. This one requires a little bit of water, and you're just kind of smoothing out the first scratches. The first one pad seems to be to remove all of the yellowing and whatnot, and the second pad is more for just kind of smoothing out the scratches and getting it back to clear here. And this one did take a little bit longer, and you really got to watch your speeds and just keep moving constantly. There's no reason to be staying in one spot. Here we're onto the polishing compound, and it's just a sponge pad with the compound in there. And here's the reveal. I mean, it's really just turns out to be pretty great looking. Super impressed with it. And these have actually held up pretty well. This has been about, I think it's about a year and a half, 2 years since I did this. The clear coat's holding up. It actually looks pretty reasonable right now. And here's the clear coat in a spray can right here. The dust obviously goes everywhere here, and the overspray goes everywhere. But it's been great so far, and I will do it again in probably another year here or so, or next time I detail the car. And here is the after. You can see about one spot right there I didn't really hit as well as I could have. I'll get it next time, no big deal. Here's the before. Here's the after. So link down for the products is down below. I would highly recommend it if you have some plastic yellowed headlights. Thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the next video.